So we've heard from my husband, who has a way with words. And he has a way to make everyone feel welcome and at home. But right now, I would like for you to witness the rage of a Muslim mother. I am still struggling with having the conversation with my 4-year-old son about the 215 Native children's graves. And now this. My son wants to be the first person to physically land on Mars. What am I to say to him? Son, you could be the first person to come up with the cure for cancer, but people will always hate you because of the color of your skin and the God that you pray to. For shame. For shame. I reject a world like that. I reject a world like that for my children and your children. I reject. People like this 20-year-old, the hate that this 20-year-old carries. This is the tip of the iceberg. Hate does not exist in vacuum. We are all part of the problem. When we can grieve for those 215 children, but we fail to question, why is it that so many Native communities do not have clean drinking water? Why? When we can support the Black Lives Matter movement because it's an American problem, and not acknowledge the racial profiling that happens right here, right now. When we can grieve a child living in North America, the death of a child, a North American child, but we fail to grieve the Palestinian children that are dying, that are being murdered and massacred. Enough of this. Enough. When we start to rationalize away someone else's humanity, we are the problem. We are the problem. The moment you begin